With the rapid advancement of technology, 3D printers have become increasingly accessible and affordable to individuals, professionals, and businesses alike. These versatile machines are no longer limited to creating mere prototypes. They are now utilized for manufacturing final products, turning the products of your imagination into tangible reality. If you can conceive and design an object using CAD software, then a 3D printer can bring it to life. Embrace the transformative power of 3D printing to unleash your creativity and transform your ideas into magnificent, tangible masterpieces. So, if you are looking for ways to enhance your product development process, then you have come to the right place. We have listed the top 5 best 3D printers in 2024 and their dominant features so that you can make an informed decision. We have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box so you can purchase them directly without any kind of inconvenience. Number 1 is FHFAG Adventurer 5M Pro 3D Printer. The FHFAG Adventurer 3D Printer offers an all-in-one solution for enthusiasts who value efficiency and quality in 3D printing. In 2024, this printer takes creativity to new heights, boasting a maximum travel speed of 600 mm per second and acceleration of up to 20,000 mm/s superscript 2. These impressive features ensure the swift realization of your designs without compromising precision. The nozzle's rapid heating capability allows it to reach 200 degrees Celsius within just 35 seconds, minimizing waiting time and maximizing productivity. The core XY structure and all-metal frame combine to ensure stability during high-speed movements while also meeting the meticulous demands of quality assurance. With a range of nozzle sizes available, 0.25 mm, 0.4 mm, 0.6 mm, 0.8 mm, achieving the perfect balance between speed and detailed print quality has never been easier. With extensive material compatibility, supporting PLA, ABS, PETG, ASA, TPU, PC, PLACF, and PETGCF, and a robust full metal direct extruder reaching 280 degrees Celsius, the Adventurer 5M Pro caters to diverse printing needs, ensuring precise and reliable results across a myriad of projects. Its dimensions of 45-inch DX25 WX80H and a weight of 32.1 pounds make it a powerhouse in the 3D printing realm, setting the standard for innovation. If you like this 3D printer, click on the link mentioned in the description box below to get it. Number 2 is Mixware Hyps 3D Printer. The Mixware Hyps 3D Printer, a cutting-edge all-in-one printer in 2024, elevates your 3D printing experience to new heights. It secures its place as the second best choice among the top 5 best 3D printers of 2024. With an impressive high-temperature printing capability of 350 degrees Celsius, this printer's all-metal hot end and hardened steel nozzle ensure consistent accuracy even with challenging materials like carbon fiber and nylon. Say goodbye to constant filament replacements when switching between filaments such as PLA, ABS, PETG, PP, and more. The Hyps printer enhances your printing experience with its impressive 300 mm per second high-speed capability, reducing printing time by up to 75%. The XY axis is supported by 3 robust industrial linear guide rails, ensuring stability and providing a smoother and more reliable printing process. The dual-gear direct extruder, accompanied by dual fans for efficient cooling, ensures precise filament feeding and optimal cooling, which is crucial for maintaining printing accuracy even at high speeds. The Mixware Hyps 3D printer combines a generous build volume of 300 by 300 by 400 mm with convenient automatic leveling, streamlining the 3D printing process. Say goodbye to the hassle of leveling and embrace the flexibility of manual adjustments when needed. With a 3-step assembly, 96% of the print body is pre-installed for a quick and effortless setup, making it perfect for beginners. If you want to purchase this 3D printer, click on the link in the description box below to make a purchase. Number 3 is AnkerMake M5C 3D Printer. The AnkerMake M5C is an exceptional 3D printer that empowers you to unleash your creativity with unmatched speed and precision in 2024. With PowerBoost 2.0 technology and an ultra-direct extruder, the M5C achieves printing speeds of up to 500 mm per second while maintaining an impressive precision of 0.1 mm. This ensures that you can bring your ideas to life faster and more efficiently than ever before, with utmost accuracy and detail. Control and convenience take center stage with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, enabling seamless monitoring and control directly from your mobile device using the user-friendly AnkerMake app. The Precision Mode revolutionizes fine printing by introducing next-level detailing. With a 0.2mm nozzle, it achieves an impressive resolution of up to 50 micrometers. This advanced feature not only enhances speed but also improves efficiency through the application of cutting-edge algorithms. The Anchormake M5C is meticulously engineered for long-lasting reliability. It boasts wear-resistant components and a 300 degrees Celsius all-metal hot end, making it compatible with a wide range of filament materials. This 3D printer stands out with its user-friendly features, including 49-point automatic bed leveling, power and filament outage recovery functions, and an integrated design. So, if you are interested in this printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it right now. Number 4 is the Mingdom Magician X2 FDM 3D printer. The Mingdom Magician X2 FDM 3D printer stands out as a versatile and efficient choice among the best 3D printers of 2024. It boasts an innovative leveling function, equipped with a 16-point smart calibration system that guarantees precise bed leveling. With a simple one-touch operation, this printer effortlessly compensates for any unevenness in the heated bed. This not only streamlines your printing experience but also ensures consistent and accurate prints every time. The Mingdom Magician X2 FDM 3D printer stands out in the dynamic 3D printing landscape. Its double-thread Z-axis movement ensures minimal shaking, eliminates step loss, and enhances model details. Assembling this printer is a breeze, taking only 15 minutes. With dimensions of 18-inch DX17WX22H and a printing size of 230-230-260mm superscript 3, it offers a winning combination of performance and user-friendly features. The maximum nozzle and bed temperatures of 260 degrees Celsius and 110 degrees Celsius, respectively, make it a versatile choice. With its direct drive extruder and fast heating heat bed, the Magician X2 ensures safety with built-in thermal runaway protection, offering peace of mind even in the event of board or SSR malfunctions. The printer's 90% pre-assembled setup, stable triangular structure, and silent open-source motherboard make it user-friendly for both beginners and experienced users alike. If this 3D printer suits your needs, click on the link in the description box to get it. Number 5 is the Soval SV06 Plus 3D printer. The Soval SV06 Plus 3D printer is the ultimate choice for creative professionals looking to push the boundaries of 3D printing in 2024. With its distinctive i3 structure, the SV06 Plus stands out from other printers by offering a larger printing volume of 300 by 300 by 340 millimeters. Its modular design allows for effortless assembly in just 5 simple steps, making it incredibly user-friendly and suitable for various household applications. The SV06 Plus demonstrates exceptional speed, thanks to its high-flow all-metal hot end measuring 150 mm per second and a dual-gear direct drive extruder with planetary design. When combined with the clipper screen, it achieves a remarkable printing speed of 250 mm per second. The all-metal hot end configuration enables high-temperature printing up to 300 degrees Celsius, eliminating the need for PTFE replacements and firmware flashes. As a result, it offers versatility for printing with various materials. It offers an exceptional user experience with its 4.3-inch touchscreen, 25-point auto-leveling, and PEI-coated build plate. Its self-developed 32-bit silent board, equipped with TMC 2209 drivers, ensures both stability and quiet operation. With innovative features that cater to the needs of enthusiasts and professionals, the Soval SV06 Plus sets a new standard in the ever-evolving landscape of 3D printing. If you like this 3D printer, click on the link in the description box to purchase it. After reviewing each of the top 5 best 3D printers in 2024, you now have a clear idea of which one you should go for. Hope you have found this video to be valuable and informative. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For the latest updates and more such videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care.